Hi, I will take you to the building. There's SharafDg exit 2. You can find this exit 2. Go straight, go ahead, and there is escalator, lift also, but you can use the escalator better. And go straight. If you're standing, stay right side. If you're walking the escalator, you can walk left side. Now you reach the exit gate, exit 2, the Mongol Road. Now you can see your right side Grand Outlet. And you can see also left side Commercial Bank of Dubai. Other building, Alliance Center. It is the Jumbo Electronics. After that, next building is Khalid Center. The inside Khalid Center, you can get Pizza Hut, KFC, and the Osia hypermarket, and also Maharaja restaurant. This is the Khalid Center. Go ahead. It is only 5-minute walking from the SharafDg metro station to the building. It is that you can see the KFC also, Osia hypermarket, and now you can see the Rolla Street. Your front side now Choitran supermarket and Al Rai Center. Take right the Rolla Street, go straight. It is also the Khalid Center building other side. Go straight. Now your left side is multi-food store. There is available all international food. Continental. Cross the road. No, otherwise take right, straight. This Rolla Street. This is the Swadesh restaurant. Now cross the road. Go ahead. It is the 24B Street, 318 community. Take left. Now your side is ECT supermarket. Cross the road. It is your building. The building number is 12. Go ahead. You will reach the entrance. You can take the lift. Okay.